Welcome back, deep divers and ocean explorers, to another episode of No Bitchin' Sea TV, your ultimate guide to the wonders and mysteries of the ocean. Today, we're delving into one of the most dangerous and elusive creatures in the sea. One that has a reputation so deadly that it strikes fear into the hearts of even the bravest swimmers. This creature moves silently through the waters, leaving nothing but its deadly venom in its wake. We are talking about the box jellyfish, also known as the silent killer of the sea. But what makes this creature so dangerous? How does it hunt? And why is it considered one of the deadliest organisms in the world? Strap in, because today, we're going to uncover the terrifying truth behind the box jellyfish. The mysterious nature of the box jellyfish. Beneath the calm turquoise waters of the Indo-Pacific, a silent predator drifts through the currents. Its translucent body, barely visible to the naked eye. The box jellyfish, often called the silent killer of the sea, moves like a ghost, leaving nothing but danger in its wake. But what exactly makes this creature so enigmatic and deadly? Unlike the more familiar, bell-shaped jellyfish, the box jellyfish, scientifically known as Chironex fleckeri, has a distinct, cube-like shape. It's a jellyfish that doesn't just float. It evolves in a way that makes it one of the most efficient and dangerous creatures in the ocean. Its unique, box-shaped bell sets it apart from other jellyfish, and it's where the creature gets its name. While the box jellyfish may appear delicate and harmless as it drifts in the water, its body hides a terrifying arsenal of lethal capabilities. The jellyfish's bell can grow to nearly a foot across, but it's its tentacles that truly make it a predator to be feared. These tentacles can stretch up to 10 feet long and are equipped with millions of tiny, venomous cells that can paralyze prey in the blink of an eye. When you're dealing with a creature like this, there's no room for error. Its sting is swift, and the consequences can be fatal. But how does such a seemingly simple creature manage to become such a deadly force? The answer lies in its incredible adaptations. The box jellyfish has evolved over millions of years to be perfectly suited to its environment. It doesn't just float aimlessly through the sea. It actively hunts its prey with remarkable precision. Equipped with a complex set of sensory organs called repelia, this jellyfish can detect even the slightest movements in the water. It's like an invisible radar, helping it track down fish and invertebrates with stunning accuracy. What makes the box jellyfish even more fascinating and terrifying is its vision. Unlike most jellyfish that have very limited or no sight, the box jellyfish possesses 24 eyes distributed around its body, capable of detecting light, shape, and movement. While it's still a mystery how this jellyfish perceives its surroundings, these eyes give it the ability to navigate the waters with an intelligence far beyond what we typically associate with such creatures. But even with its deadly venom and sophisticated hunting skills, the box jellyfish remains a mysterious creature. Its movements are smooth and almost mesmerizing, and for those lucky enough to spot it in the wild, it's an ethereal beauty. However, this beauty masks a lethal danger, making it both a wonder of nature and a terrifying testament to the complexity of life beneath the surface. So next time you're swimming in the shallows of a tropical beach, remember, the ocean is full of unseen dangers, and among them, the box jellyfish remains one of the most fascinating and deadly. Venom and the silent killer. The box jellyfish isn't just another marine creature, it's a deadly predator, and its venom is the weapon that makes it one of the most feared animals in the world. Hidden within its delicate tentacles is a venomous cocktail so potent that it can kill a human in minutes. But what makes this venom so deadly, and how does it work? At the core of the box jellyfish's venom is a powerful combination of neurotoxins and cardiotoxins. The moment the jellyfish's tentacles make contact with its victim, the venom is released into the bloodstream, launching a brutal assault on the body's most vital systems. The neurotoxins paralyze the nervous system, causing excruciating pain and disorientation. Meanwhile, the cardiotoxins target the heart, causing it to slow down and, in extreme cases, stop entirely. The effects of a sting are almost instantaneous. Victims report feeling a searing, intense pain, like being electrocuted from the inside. It's as though the body is being attacked from all angles. The sting doesn't just hurt, it can cause nausea, difficulty breathing, and even cardiac arrest. Within just a few minutes, the venom can be fatal if not treated. The box jellyfish's venom is the perfect weapon for a creature that moves silently through the ocean's depths, hunting its prey with precision. For humans, a single encounter with this silent killer can have deadly consequences. How it hunts: the stealthy predator. The box jellyfish may not look like a predator, but beneath its delicate, translucent exterior lies a master hunter of the sea. Unlike many other jellyfish, which passively float with the current, the box jellyfish is an active, stealthy predator, perfectly adapted to track and ambush its prey with deadly precision. This silent hunter uses a sophisticated set of sensory organs called repelia, which are located around its body. These specialized organs allow the jellyfish to detect even the smallest changes in its environment, like the subtle movements of fish or the presence of potential threats. It's like an underwater radar, giving the box jellyfish an edge in the battle for survival. But it's not just the repelia that make the box jellyfish such an efficient hunter. The jellyfish's 24 eyes-on astonishing feature for such a simple creature give it a remarkable vision, allowing it to navigate the murky waters with surprising skill. While these eyes don't form clear images like human vision, they can detect light, movement, and even shapes, making it an expert at locating prey and avoiding danger. Once a potential meal is detected, the box jellyfish reacts swiftly. Its long, venomous tentacles stretch out, trailing behind as it glides through the water. When its prey swims too close, the jellyfish strikes, releasing venom from millions of microscopic stingers, paralyzing its victim almost instantly. The immobilized prey is then slowly drawn towards the jellyfish's mouth, where it is consumed. Silent, stealthy, and efficient, the box jellyfish is a predator that proves danger often comes in the most unexpected forms. Survival mechanisms: a perfectly adapted killer. The box jellyfish is not only one of the deadliest creatures in the ocean, but it is also a marvel of evolutionary design, perfectly adapted to thrive in its environment. Over millions of years, this silent predator has developed survival mechanisms that make it a near-perfect killing machine. One of its most impressive features is its complex sensory system. Unlike most jellyfish, which have limited sensory capabilities, the box jellyfish is equipped with repelia, specialized organs that allow it to detect changes in its environment. These organs act as an underwater radar, giving the jellyfish the ability to sense movement, pressure, and even the presence of predators or prey nearby. The venomous tentacles of the box jellyfish are another critical survival mechanism. These tentacles, lined with millions of microscopic stingers, are designed to paralyze and immobilize prey quickly. With its long tentacles extending up to 10 feet, the jellyfish can strike from a distance, injecting its powerful venom into fish and even unsuspecting swimmers. The box jellyfish's ability to swiftly incapacitate its prey, combined with its unparalleled sensory system and remarkable vision, makes it one of the ocean's most perfectly adapted predators and efficient killer that has evolved to survive and dominate the depths. Human encounters and real-life incidents. While the box jellyfish is a remarkable creature of the sea, its encounters with humans are far from benign. This elusive predator, with its venomous tentacles, has a history of terrifying and tragic incidents that have shaped its reputation as one of the most dangerous marine creatures in the world. One of the most infamous and tragic encounters occurred in 1954, when a young Australian boy was fatally stung by a box jellyfish. The rapid onset of symptoms, including extreme pain and cardiac arrest, highlighted the terrifying efficiency of the jellyfish's venom. Within minutes, the boy succumbed to the effects, marking one of the earliest well-documented deaths from a box jellyfish sting. Over the years, these incidents have continued to make headlines, often raising awareness about the dangers of swimming in jellyfish-prone waters. In fact, the box jellyfish is responsible for more deaths in Australia than sharks, crocodiles, and snakes combined, though fatalities have decreased due to improved medical treatments and better awareness. The risk remains, especially in the warmer months when the jellyfish are most active. Swimmers, divers, and beachgoers in regions like Northern Australia, Thailand, and the Philippines are particularly vulnerable, as box jellyfish often inhabit shallow coastal waters, where people frequently swim. Real-life incidents have led to the development of preventive measures, such as protective stinger suits, warning signs along beaches, and the widespread use of vinegar to neutralize the venom. Despite these efforts, the threat of a sting still looms over unsuspecting beachgoers, reminding us that the ocean's beauty often hides its most deadly secrets. These encounters with the box jellyfish serve as a chilling reminder of the unpredictability and danger that lies beneath the surface of the sea. So, what should you do if you get stung by a box jellyfish? First, it's important to know that immediate action is critical. If you're stung, don't panic, but also don't waste any time. Rinse the affected area with vinegar or salt water, not fresh water. Fresh water can actually make the stingers release more venom. Remove any tentacles still attached to the skin with a pair of tweezers, but be careful not to touch them with your bare hands. Seek medical attention immediately, as antivenom may be needed in severe cases. Time is of the essence. To prevent encounters, beachgoers in regions prone to box jellyfish have to follow certain safety measures, such as wearing protective suits or adhering to warnings about jellyfish presence in the water. The box jellyfish remains one of the ocean's most dangerous and mysterious creatures, with its unmatched venom, unique adaptations, and ability to silently strike. It serves as a reminder of the hidden dangers lurking in the vast depths of our oceans. But it's also a creature that plays an essential role in the marine ecosystem, an apex predator in its own right. As we continue to explore the wonders of the deep, we must also remember the dangers that come with it. The ocean is home to some of the most fascinating and deadly creatures, and the box jellyfish is undoubtedly one of its most formidable inhabitants. Stay safe, Stay curious, and never underestimate the silent killers that call the sea their home. Thanks for diving into today's episode. If you enjoyed learning about the box jellyfish, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of the ocean with Nobitchin CTV.